Okay, guys, the unboxing video is done. Give me my box. Oh man, chocolate. Guys, I'm just gonna take one more chocolate, I promise. Yoink. Nice. Chocolate. We got some things. I got some shoes. Yeah, I got some
Tignan mo
shoes.
nga kung sakto sa'yo, parang kasya pa sa paa ko ah.
Doesn't look like it, Mom. Mom, it looks a little bit my size. Guys. Yeah. Ah, come on, give me the chocolate. Give me.
Yan isang upuan. Wow, ganda naman.
Mom.
May price yan kung magkano. Kita mo.
Yeah.
Po, $326. Ikaw, magkano yun sa'yo? 326?
16,000.
Ikaw, magkano? Magkano ang $100? 5,000.
I got one.
Mami, di ba dati pa lang ganyan?
Ayan, no?
Ganyan na yung bag nila.
Oo. May ganito yung, may bag din sa antila
Ganyan
ganito.
na sila magregalo eh.
May ano yan?
This is our house, by the way.
Diyan.
Yeah. We got back from Manaoag.
Oy, Ervin, nasan ka daw? Isuot mo yung sapatos mo, bilis.
Oh, okay. Come on. Go on. Can you tie them up for me, Mom?
Tama ba o masikip ba o malaki?
Mom, do the squish test. Do the squish test.
Ano man ni? Ang ganda ini.
Sakto lang po mo.
It's fine.
Video na natin. Doon ka pa doon. Doon ka.
Mom, that's...
Doon ka. Ulong ka pa doon para makita ka. Ulong doon sa may sa bag dyan. Yan. What will you? Let me see your shoes.
Sa'yo yan?
Those are the... Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Doon say, thank you Lolo, Lola. Thank you Lolo, Lola, and Kuya Marlon. What will you say?